That could be you on that plane, or you could have a mobile home. This mobile home goes 600 miles on a full fill up. It has a propane setup for the generator. You have black water, fresh water, and gray water, and it only has just under 15,000 miles. This is a 2016 Mercedes-Benz Airstream. It's 10.5 feet tall. It has every creature comfort you have. Let's take a look inside. Let's talk about the overall condition of this van. This is a really nice example, low mileage. It does have the dually setup with air ride. There are two minor imperfections on this van. So there's a small scuff right here near the exhaust, and then a small chip where interstate is laid out. You can hear the propane style generator. This is where you're gonna have your fill-ups. You also have external power right here, and then you have a beautiful awning. Right now the wind is about 15 to 18 miles per hour, so it's not gonna let us release it. So it has a protector so you don't open it and it flaps over the vehicle. Going towards the front, you're gonna have your driving cockpit. So you have a passenger seat and you have a full infotainment system. Your controls for the awning are gonna be located underneath here. So if I did this, you'll see it probably move. Airplanes are overrated. So you can see that the awning tries, but the wind is so tall right now that it's not gonna let it go out. Interior is nice, leather seats, all the creature comforts, and remember, 600 miles on a fill-up. Looking at the front end, very nice condition. Just minor rock chips throughout, but nothing major. The glass is very nice. You can see the satellite style antenna up there, so if you want to turn that back on, you can. You have television. You also have HDMI and cable ports on the side of the vehicle. Looking at the driver's side, this is where you're going to have all your connections if you're at a actual camping setup. So you have your water, you have the additional accessories for your black water, and then you have the hot water controls back there. These are your vents for your actual stove, etc. So we'll show you that when we get inside. This side is very nice. You do have window shades that go up and down with the push of a button, and you can hear our generator running right now. We're getting it cooled down inside there because it's super hot in Florida. Looking inside, carpet is very nice. You do have a lot of additional things here just in case you have a driver so they know how to work this. Seats are very comfortable. Your pedal has minimal wear, and once again, 14,820 miles, backup camera, and camera that runs all the time on the top section. Come on. Inside here, very nice and clean. Turbocharged in the center. Look at how nice that is. Beautiful. Let's jump inside. I'll let you go in there first. So this is a full infotainment setup. So you have the ability to roll down the highway. You can put a table here, which we have set up, I think, in the rear right now for in case you want to have lunch. All of these seats rotate, so you can rotate them all very easily. Inside here, you're going to have your main control station. This is going to control all your patio lights, your aisle lights, etc. So you can see those going on. You also have a dimmer, and you have your ceiling light controls. Air condition gets this machine cold within, I would say, 3 minutes. You do have an additional function here. So this is where you're gonna have your generator and your battery controls. Everything's working as it should. You can check all of your levels. So you have your gas level, freshwater, gray, and black. And then this is when you have it plugged in, you're gonna be able to see if it's on genset, which it is, and what's working with the system right now. So basically we have everything that you would wanna use if you're on the go available. You do have plugs throughout. So you have plugs there, you have a cup holder, and then you do have the air ride control. So if you're at a camp station, you can actually adjust it so that the vehicle is level, and you can sleep level too. You do have a full sink with running water, so you can open it up and you have water. So you do have a stove right here that looks like it's never been used. You also have an oven, and then a full refrigerator. So you have a refrigerator right here. It's cold. Waters are cold right now. The cool part, so you actually have a shower that you can get inside, and it's a full bathroom. So you have your toilet and bathroom in the same position. So I can get inside here, and I fit. In the rear, this is where you would convert into a actual bed area. So there's a button on the corner that you click, and this will fold down, and then you can put your pillows, etc. You have storage throughout, so if you're doing a long journey, you have a lot of storage. You also have extensions everywhere, so if you want to have a cutting board here, you can. Very easy to operate. Also, there are phones. I don't know why they put this option in, but there's 3 phones here, so you can talk to your driver. Let's show you the bed operating. So this is the bed. It will fold all the way out, and then you have these nice little protectors so that you can fold it and lay down. In the rear, we have all the components you're gonna need for setting up for camping. So you have all the wires, you have all the hoses, you have all the tools. So it's all included with the sale. Look at that, that's how you close the shades. You click a button right there, and you have your shade privacy closed throughout. In the front cabin, you have the typical Mercedes Sprinter van setup. You can lock the rear, you have traction control, you have lane assist. If you guys have any interest in this beautiful Airstream, be sure to go to our website, click on the link below. If you have a vehicle like this that you want to sell, be sure to go and submit it. We get back to you within 24 hours. We could buy it, consign it, we could ship it. All right, let's take this Airstream out for a spin. We're gonna go through all the gears. We're gonna make sure that there's no check engine lights for you. I love this engine because it is a torquey motor. You can actually pull a trailer with this if you want to. 14,821 miles. There's no CELs. It has a full tank of gas, so if you buy this, you could jump in it and drive home. This does retain DEF, I believe, based on the menu. When I go through the menu, I could see that there's a DEF port, it looks like. Air conditions cold. Your infotainment operates, and you also do have a really nice rear cam that you can adjust based on mirrors, side portions, etc. So you see everything as you go. When you put the turn signal on, this actually will engage the side camera so you don't do any side swipe collisions. We're gonna jump on Marina Mile. We're gonna go through all the gears. This is a turbocharged variant. Goes down the road nicely. You do have the ability to adjust the air ride when you are driving and or when you stop to level the van. Seats are comfortable, so this is like a long, I can lean back and I feel good. I like that they put the placement here so you know exactly how tall it is. So it's 10.5 feet tall. Good visors as well. And a lot of storage, so you have stowage for everything. We're gonna turn left here. No CELs, lights operate. It does have cruise control, which is fantastic. Wipers, let's see, wipers work. And then you do have a phone system. There's 3 of these, so there's one here, one in the rear, and then one all the way in the back by where the bed will fold down. There's also a battery disconnect on this side, so if you stow this vehicle for a long time, you could just turn the batteries off. We keep it on a 20 amp charge, which is like the lowest recommended charge for this, just to keep the batteries up. This does have I think it's a 30 amp plug, so when you go to campsites, they're gonna have that. You have heated seats as well, and lane assist. That's our test drive. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. We hope to see you on the next journey.